This is Dan May from Ramsack, and welcome to another of my quick tips for Microsoft 365. In today's top tips, I'm going to have a little look at a feature in Microsoft Teams, which I think is really handy, and that is integration with Microsoft Planner. So we've got a separate blog and a separate vlog on Microsoft Planner, which you'll find on the website at ramsack.com/blog. But assuming you're familiar with Planner, if you find that you've been made a member of multiple plans, then there's a really nice, handy way of integrating a view into Teams, which shows you all of your tasks, regardless of which plan they appear in. Easy to do. So on the left-hand navigation, below the icons that you're familiar with, you'll see there's a little 3-button eclipse. So if you just click on that, you'll see it says More Added Apps. I've already got Planner installed as a recent, but if you haven't, you can just search for Planner in the search bar here. But if I click on Planner, you'll see that it now appears in my left-hand navigation, and here I've got all of the tasks where I'm named across any of the plans that I'm a part of. I hope you found that useful, but as always, there's lots more hints and tips available on the website at ramsack.com/blog.